Hello guys and welcome to today's trade recap. As you guys always see me doing trade recaps, today we hit another banger trade, as you guys can fucking see in front of your eyes. Yesterday I won trade, the day before we won a trade. Damn, I think we are in a winning streak. Also, I took a screenshot before taking the trade and I took a screenshot after taking the trade, and I'm gonna show you next on my MetaTrader that I took the trade. Wait, let me show you the screenshot. So this is before the trade. I'm gonna cover up all the trade, every single thing about it later into this video. This is the trade before I took it, and this is after. And I did some mistakes, but I wouldn't call it mistakes, because I even wanted to do that, which is not scaling my position into these lows and these lows as well. I could and I wanted to do it, but I said no, I'm gonna just trade this risk reward ratio. Why? I'm gonna tell you next. So let me now show you on my MetaTrader that I took the trade. Wait, I think you can guys see. Okay, wait, I think you didn't see it. Good. I think you guys see it. Okay, I entered right above and I executed right here low, and also took a photo before the trade. Wait, as you can see right here. So that's it. Yeah, now we're gonna cover up every single thing, so let me do a little. Okay, I think we are good now. So okay, coming into the day, I wanted to take shorts. Why? So I opened my chart right before New York session opens, because I always trade New York sessions. So what I did is basically the beginning, went to the 4-hour time frame to scale on, and I looked for my overtime buys or overall buys. What I can see now is a 4-hour breakout structure and a continuation of a bearish trend. Okay, I don't care about this over-term bullish trend, but I see that the 4-hour now is being bearish. Okay, so, and as you guys can see, on the previous sessions we did come low, but we didn't sweep out those lows. Okay, so what I did next is scale down to the 1-hour time frame. There's a lot of sell side liquidity didn't get swept, like these lows, these equal lows, these lows, and these lows as well. We also had this 1-hour bearish fair value gap, and with that I went to the 15-minute time frame. I basically, wait, let me show you. Okay, so this is London session. Though the London session highs, Asian session highs, London session lows, Asian session lows. So pretty much we didn't sweep out the London session lows, while we did took out those buy side liquidity, all of this buy side liquidity, and we did interrupt with this bearish fair value gap as well. So wait, let me zoom in. As you guys can see, we see the clear sweep right here. We reject from the fair value gap, and then I wanted to take a quick scalp. I didn't want to have a bigger stop loss and a bigger take profit, and I didn't want to aim for a lot of risk reward, like 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 risk reward, like I used to be doing it. Okay, if you go to my old videos, I used to be snapping for a 1 to 3 risk to reward, 1 to 2 risk to reward, 1 to 2.5 risk to reward, but no, not anymore. I think because I find myself more profitable trading this way than the other way. Okay, so right here, after I saw the sweep of liquidity, we got into equilibrium zone. Then I scaled down to the 5-minute time frame to look for entries and for potential continuation confluences. So after that, we did come down, we broke the structure to the downside right here. We managed to break the order block and turn it into a breaker block, and here I did some mistake. Okay, I did a very clear mistake, and I can blame myself on it. Okay, so let me explain it really quick. I didn't wait for my perfect entry right here, breakout structure, then retracing back into the fair value gap, back into the breaker block, then right when I saw the breakout structure right here, I jumped into the trade right away. And instead of waiting for price to come up to fill in this breaker block and then take it right here, I entered right here. But it's not a big problem because my stop loss is well protected and my take profit is in a very good position. I was thinking about taking this trade into these lows, but then I said no, I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm gonna take only these this setup, 1-to-1 clean, 1-to-1 clean, a clean trade. Don't want to interrupt a lot of rotation. So yeah, that's it guys for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe, and peace out.